Yo, what's up? This is your girl KattyCustoms, and we're back doing another Christmas tutorial. Alright, so today we're doing something different. We're going to take a Yeezy 350 and we're going to turn it to an ugly Christmas sweater custom. Something that you could wear to your holiday party and stand out in the crowd. Okay, so before I start my custom, I'm going to put the shoe trees inside from Angelus. What this does is just help the shoes stay in the gray formation while I'm customizing. Alright, so first we're going to paint this shoe black. And how I do that is mix flat black with Too Soft. The reason why I use Too Soft is to keep the fabric soft, and it also adheres to the fabric so that way it doesn't fade. Alright, as you can see, I do not tape off the shoes, but if you are a beginner, I suggest you tape it off just so you don't have paint drips on the sole. You don't have to worry about cleaning it off. And for a shoe like this, I recommend using the red vinyl tape because it stretches and you can form it on the shoe the way you want it. So now that the black is dry, what I'm going to do now is go around the sock liner and make that red. And I'm also going to use that with Too Soft. Alright, so now that the black and red is done, now we're going to focus on putting the artwork on the shoes, and what we're going to add is maybe some Santa Claus and Christmas trees and snowflakes on the shoe. Give it that real ugly Christmas sweater feel. So let's get to it. My glasses broke. What we're going to use to fix my glasses is some red vinyl tape. Now usually I don't use tape, but for things like this, I'm gonna use tape. It's in there now. It's perfect. All right. When it comes down to the details of the shoes, I don't mix the paint with Too Soft only because I don't want it to be thin or watery while applying it onto the shoe. Since the base of the shoe is mixed with Too Soft, it gives the artwork a perfect foundation for the paint to adhere to. Okay, so now we're moving on to the other side of the shoe, and what I'm going to do is add the Christmas light along the side right here. So after doing about 3 or 4 coats on the white, now it's time to add the green to the wire. Alright, so now that the green is done on the wire, now it's time to move on to the bulbs, giving it more of a neon feel. I want it to glow, you know, so I'm going to be mixing the neons with the regular color paints. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna take a break from doing the artwork, and what I'm gonna focus on now is dyeing the soles. When it comes to dyeing the translucent soles, you definitely wanna mix Sole Bright and dye together, 1:1 ratio. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is use the fading technique and just simply rub across, getting the excess dyes off, and basically just smooth it out to where it blends really well. Now that the shoes are done, it's time to put in the laces from Lace Lab. Thank you guys for watching. I definitely love this custom. The ugly Christmas sweater theme was spectacular. Definitely follow me on Instagram at KattyCustoms. Subscribe to my YouTube at KattyCustoms. I really would like to know you guys' feedback under this video. Please leave comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.